Okay, so here it is, the hot water heater specially installed in the boat. Inline propane, a little green bottle, converter, save-a-stake adapter to the regulator, and then that propane into the heater. And then we've got the washdown hose here, just screwed directly in. Switch on and off right here. On. Now the pump is the regular washdown pump, but I put a T in so it can shut off the raw water coming in and open up the intake. Fresh water sucks through the pump and then out the deck hose. And right now I just have the hose running into a bucket of water. Eventually we'll put a permanently installed water tank on here. This thing has electronic ignition. The hose is already on, so all you do is just pull this little lever to start the flow, and you'll hear it start up. And this water is probably 100 degrees. And it's flowing really nicely. That's got to be over a gallon a minute. Heavy duty shower. It's probably shooting 6 feet across the driveway.